Esty reports on the strange journey of Buster Brown. Buster disappeared from his Boulder, Colorado home last November. His owner thought her beloved lab mix was stolen or eaten by a mountain lion, but that wasn't his fate. This week, 1,200 miles away, Buster was brought to an animal shelter in Salinas, California. The shelter tracked down his owner with the microchip they found on Buster. And thanks to a free ride from Frontier Airlines, Buster Brown will be heading home this weekend. Esty says how he got all the way to the West Coast will probably remain a mystery.
Lola says, attention, baby animal alert. These triplet tigers were born at a tiger habitat in southeast China. Both parents are 4 years old, and with the baby tigers frolicking together, it's a happy tiger family.
Imagine going to your backyard storage shed and finding this surprise, a 7-foot alligator. A biologist with the North Carolina Wildlife Department managed to wrangle the gator out, and he says the critter was apparently searching for a mate and got lost. Esty reports the alligator has been released, presumably to find true love in what should now be all the right places.
They are still cleaning up in Joplin, Missouri, and Lola says check out who's giving a helping hand, or in this case, a helping trunk. A circus was scheduled to perform in Joplin, but after finding the performance place was just a big mountain of rubble, the circus performers, including the elephants, decided to pitch in and help the town. Esty found video of one elephant even moving a car out of the debris. Good work, guys!
And finally today, Lola reports on a happy ending to a story about 7 bald eagles in northern Wisconsin. They were all found near death a few months ago, poisoned by something they found at a landfill near Eagle River. But workers at the Raptor Education Group in Antigo took them in and nursed them back to health. And this week, the eagles took to the sky for the first time since early April.
Gone from being quite sick with a lot of sometimes 24-hour care to flying free today.
The workers were surprised to see how quickly the birds healed, and Lola is happy to see eagles back in the air on their way home to Eagle River again.
And that's this week's edition of the News Hounds.